Want to share someone's post to your Instagram story the right way? Tired of boring default backgrounds that don't look professional? Let me show you how to share a post to your story and customize the background color in seconds. Welcome to Preyo Phonie. Today I'll show you how to repost an Instagram post to your story and change the background color like a pro. Step 1. Unlock your phone and launch the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Update the app if needed to access the latest story features. Now, you're ready to start sharing content. Step 2. Browse through your home feed as usual. Find the post you want to share to your story. Make sure the account is public or allows sharing. Once you've selected the post, move to the next step. Step 3. Tap the paper airplane share icon below the post. A sharing menu will instantly appear on your screen. Select the option to add the post to your story. This will open the story editing interface. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more powerful Instagram tips every week. Step 4. After tapping the share icon, choose Add Post to your story. The post will now appear on a default story background. You can resize or reposition the post using pinch gestures. Now let's customize the background to make it stand out. Step 5. Look at the top of the screen for the color circle icon. Tap it to change the background color instantly. Keep tapping to cycle through different color options. Choose a background that matches your brand or mood. And that's how you share a post to your Instagram story with a custom background color. Small design touches like this make your stories look more polished and professional. Consistent branding helps you stand out and grow faster on Instagram. For more expert-level social media tutorials, keep watching Preyo Phonie, where we turn simple tips into powerful results.